In this video, we are going to explore an example of shaders, at least the default shaders provided by Microsoft HoloLens, that you can find in the Mixed Reality Toolkit hub. Remember that in the description of this video, there is a link to this software library on GitHub, so you can see the software examples, the codes for each example, and you can start from there as a starting point and build your mixed reality applications. So this is the example shader gallery, and as you can see here, there are several types of shaders. There is vertex extrusion, reflected glass, cutout transition, clipping plane, rimlet. There are many. So this is a set of possible shaders that you can use as a starting point. You just need to download the software library, see this example, and use these shaders in your own mixed reality application.